Hi guys, welcome back to my video. This week we are doing a little tour of my studio and a little montage of how I make my pots. So I hope you enjoy and I hope you're doing well. Hi guys, I wanted to do a little bit of a studio tour and show you guys around. I've just cleaned the studio and it is the cleanest it's ever been. So I wanted to give you guys a look at what I do. So you come in from my mum's garden and this is the door, and on your left is my drying rack up here, my tools, my books, some cornstarch, different supplies I use to make clay from the dirt outside. I got Super Sculpey here, a poetry book that I've been tearing up and putting here. And in here I have like basic things to draw, to write. I have a steel mover thingy that helps with structures. Down here I've got my dustpan, all the paint that went into painting this place, and more supplies. So my desk has my rolling pin, little croissant pretzel. I have some more little sculptures that I've been working on, my tools for pottery, my plants. Up here is all my paint, is my painting pans. There's where I put my stand, it's my measuring stuff for pottery. And around here is all my paper and note-taking supplies. In here is all my gouache and acrylic paint that I love, and here's more tools as well. Everything's kind of dusty in here because it's a studio. Down here I have all my clay and more supplies in here. Back here I have some sentimental things like the newspaper from when I was born. Back here, and this is from my first semester at UCR and uni. Here's my plant. I don't know what it's called. I'm a really bad plant lady, but I love my plants, and it's a tropical plant. Back here is where my mum stores a lot more of her potting. And here's my recent throw today, where I keep my wire cutters and some more plants. This is my favorite plant. I call it my wiggly woo because I have no idea what the name is, but it's like got this wiggly design that I'm obsessed with. Back here I've got some incense that I like to burn, and over here is my fan, which is my lifesaver because it has heating as well. And back here is more measuring tools. Over there's my sink and currently a dog bed. And my candles. That's my last donut that I made. Here's my first commission and from my last throw that I've been doing for pots. And then over here I have some photos from my childhood and my family that are really sentimental to me. A book on music history, so I'm really into music and philosophy. Some more little sculpture pieces that I've done in the past. And then down here is where I keep all of the pots I'm going to throw away. Over here is where I keep the pots that I'm going to fire. There's my recycle bin and my wheel. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video.